Time for TAC Systems Graphene Coat. Welcome back to the channel, good friends. This is the last video of the series where we remove a ceramic coating and apply a ceramic slash graphene coating to the Porsche here. And we are at the point where we're using TAC Systems graphene coating as a topper. It can be used as a standalone, don't get me wrong, but best used as a topper. If you guys are impressed with graphene coating so far, years down the road, when these graphene coatings and spray sealants are more refined and you're getting a more pure product, you're really going to be blown away. So really excited for the future of the detailing products coming down the road. Looking forward to them. So let's get this applied. It's going to be applied just like any other coating, any other graphene coating, for that matter, that I've showed you. Left to right, up and down motions, crisscross pattern, making sure that you are applying evenly to every panel from top to bottom. Having used the TAC Systems UHS 90% SiO2 ceramic coating as the base layer or the foundation layer for the system we're using to protect the Porsche here, we're going to use the TAC Systems graphene coat to boost the chemical resistance, boost the gloss, help with water spots, and just put everything over the top for this system. All right, time to ask some frequently asked questions when it comes to coatings. I'm often asked how many microsuede applicators for the block that I use to apply the coating I go through during a normal application of a coating, and that will be half a dozen. And I'm going to keep an eye on those microsuede applicators as each job differs and the size of vehicles differ also. If I see any dirt whatsoever, that applicator is flying off of there and a new one is going on. And then when it comes to how many microfiber towels do I go through removing the transfer solution or the carrier, well, that's going to be about a dozen. And it's going to be in by twos. So I'm going to use two at a time. One to move the product around, make sure it's more evenly spread across the panel, and I'll get about 85% of the transfer solution up with that first towel. I'll bring in the second one, and yes, buff to perfection. As you can see here, using the first person view, it's real easy to apply, easy to work with. This particular topper or coating here isn't the highest concentrated. It's meant for a topper. You can definitely use it as a standalone, and you're looking at maybe a year or two worth of protection. This product here, if you're getting the car back from maintenance or if you're maintaining your own car, you could apply this once a year and keep that protection at 100% for years down the road. Boy, in that gloss, especially on this color, ladies and gentlemen, I hope it's showing through the camera, but it's really starting to stand out and shine through. All we're going to do is repeat that process all the way around the car, including headlights, taillights, side markers. I'm going to take care of the exhaust tips. I'm going to take care of the wheels. They already have a coating of their own, but I'm going to put this topper and boost the hydrophobic properties gloss and make it easier for the owner to clean. Okay, so that takes care of that. There were a few extras tacked onto the package, so let me show you how we take care of them. We're going to use the TAC Systems Raincoat. That is a rain repellent for all glass, including the windshield. And we're going to use the Sonax Glass Cleaner and Oil Zero from TAC Systems to get that glass nice and clean, squeaky clean and naked, get it ready for the coating. I'm using a scrubby pad here that's included in a lot of the glass packages, including transparency here, and it works fantastic removing bug splatter, any type of bonded contaminant to the glass. I will follow the scrubbing with TAC Systems Oil Zero. That will ensure any oils or any residues are removed. TAC Systems Raincoat, a rain repellent for glass, comes just like any other standard coating. Comes in a vial, 30 milliliters. Comes with the block itself. Just need to supply a couple microsuede applicators. It's applied just like a ceramic coating on any flat substrate, so it's easy to apply. So all I'm going to show you here is removal. It'll haze over a little bit as you let it start to cure to the glass and wipe it off. Wiping it off is no big deal. Just have a microfiber or two. Just keep flipping the towel. Another extra attached to the package is interior protection. The interior has been completely detailed and clean, including the leather. I've shown that in many, many videos. No need to revisit that in this series. I'll touch upon it again down the road at some point, as I do have some dedicated leather coatings, plastic coatings, and interior trim coatings I'd like to show you. So after they are perfectly clean, we're going to break out the Art to Shine leather and plastic coating, and we're going to get to work. The Art to Shine leather and plastic coat, 30 milliliters, is suitable for leather, PVC, plastic, trims of all kinds in the interior. On the exterior, grills, matte surfaces, matte and gloss vinyl surfaces, so it's very versatile. The coating goes on looking glossy. Don't worry, that will cure looking, feeling, and even the odor will be natural. It's all neutral. It'll look and feel like a just a typical leather seat. It has no specific odors taking away from the new car smell from the interior. It's the perfect coating for your interior, for leathers and plastic and all types of trim, including carbon fiber trim. Make sure you get in where the stitching is at the seams, and before you do that, make sure it's perfectly clean of grit and all types of contaminants that can fall in there. You're sliding in and out of the seat on a daily basis, and those patches are rubbing together at the seams. That grit can cause premature wear and tear. That's why it's important just to get it clean and then really get it protected with these types of coatings. Take the microsuede applicator off that block, just wrap it around your fingers. You can get in between the seams a lot easier that way. Just repeat that process all the way around the interior. It won't take you very long. You can have a microfiber towel over your shoulder, and if you see high spots, you can knock them down just to be sure and give yourself peace of mind that it's going on nice and even. So it does make the leather look nice and dark and rich, but it does feel, look, and the odor is neutral. And And for a finishing touch, I'm going to grab the Fireball tire coatings. This formula here, compared to the other formula, which is called the tire wax, is SiO2 infused. The colors are switched, so the gloss is red this time and the blue is satin. What I'm going to do is just warm up the tire. Nothing, really extreme. Just warm it up, open up the pores of the tire so it can receive the coating. I'm going to put one layer on, get the heat gun again, help to cure that coating or that first layer, put a second layer on and just let it be. When it's cured, by the time the customer picks it up, it looks perfect. It's not even though this is the glossy, the red color is gloss. It really isn't that glossy. It's bearable. It's not over glossy like the paint of your car. And that's it. Just repeat that process for all four tires, and pretty sure you will be satisfied. That will do it. The entire car is protected from bumper to bumper. And I hope it's showing through the camera. This color and some of the other ones takes a little bit extra effort, some special products to get it to stand out, call for your attention, and this silver really is right now. That's going to do it for this series. I hope it was helpful. I think this takes care of a few mail calls and answers some questions, as I covered way more than just the removal of a ceramic coating or protection that was there prior to the car getting to me. So we went well beyond giving you as much information as I can, and that's what this channel is all about. I thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. We'll catch you in the next video or series.